A really good year for student engagement and commercial success once again. We were really happy to be ranked second in the What Uni Student Choice Awards for Best Students' Union. It's good to know the hard work and dedication of our incredible staff is really appreciated by students.
The Students' Union play a big role, especially in sort of transport, so organising transport to and from games, as well as making sure the facilities that we use, whether that's in the gym or on the field, that they're up to standard and allowing us to play the games that we play.
I got my job through Job Shop, and the flexibility that I have from it, having that group that's based in the Students' Union that knows what students need is so much easier than trying to coordinate with an external source.
I've been given the opportunity to go on a coaching course through the AU. So I'm now a qualified coach at rugby, so hopefully I can do that going forward.
Our priority campaign for 2022-23 was supporting students with the cost of living crisis. Thanks to external funding, we were able to deliver a wide range of initiatives and activities to help ease the financial burden of students. These included providing £2 lunches, free food items through the Feed Your Flood initiative, and free tea and coffee in many study spaces. It was also a huge year for student sport, with the 25th Welsh Varsity Tournament returning to Cardiff for the first time in 5 years. Thanks to our brilliant athletes and supporters, we kept the shield in Cardiff for another year with our record-breaking victory. We provided incredible nights out for students, with unprecedented attendance to our nighttime events.
It was a big year for building works, with major improvements to the balcony space of the Great Hall, both improving accessibility for live music and providing an additional study space for students. Alongside the balcony, a big upgrade in our connection to the CSL building next door. The new entrance links the buildings together and looks a whole lot better too.
We empower students to connect, give back to the community, and grow in a safe and inclusive environment.
The BSL Society creates a really lovely and friendly environment. Having a place where people that have those struggles in the real world can come together and can feel accepted and included is really important and massively impactful on their lives and on my life.
The rugby club places a lot of importance on raising a lot of money for Movember, and this year was the very first Movember ball. So we brought together the men's and ladies rugby club, the men's and ladies hockey club and the netball club all together to sort of raise as much money as we could.
The lessons I have learned from the leadership course that I took, it's something that will be in my future and I will carry all through. I believe as a leader, I am the change that I need to see. And these are the lessons that I have been taught in the leadership course.
Over 7,500 students voted during our spring elections, and we received more than 4,300 student feedback comments during Speak Week.
Speak Week is so important for making sure that your feedback is heard anonymously, and I'm so glad that the Student Voice team is there for that.
We had a lot of firsts too. I couldn't be prouder of having been part of the sabbatical team that delivered these great initiatives and supported our students throughout the year. I can surely say that we will continue their legacy.